All right, here we are at a special event in my area down on the shore. Oh, here comes a 69 Chevelle. Beautiful. I love them tail lights. That's the car I drove around in my youth. All right, let's take a look closer, see what we got. Steamed monster truck. '71 Chevy. And in the background we hear Bob Marley. So what better song? Gonna be alright for my YouTube channel, American Woman in Jamaica, except I had to come home for a spell, take care of a few things, and got blessed to see this event. I mean, this is, you're not gonna see many of these things riding the roads of Jamaica. Another Chevelle, 72. '36 Chevrolet pickup truck. There you go. 1930 Ford Model T. Doors on here naturally lip over. Meant to be like that.
You know, they all played there. I think
you got a controller hole in there. Listen to this guy. Here we need to see a Pro Box look like this. I think I can see one of the taxi guys sporting this car. Check this hot rod out. That's a badass car. So this next car was dedicated to all the folks who lost their life in 9/11. Doesn't get any more memorialized on the road in four wheels than this.
This ain't the place with this ain't the place with the shirts and all that.
Sorry.
Sure.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I don't know. Somerset Health Department last year. No, this is the Somerset Health Department. This is registration for the car show. But that's a good question.
I might look down there and see if they got something.
Yeah, last year they had nice shirts there.
Yeah.
Good question.
You're not going to believe it. You're not going to believe it. Really?
They're all on.
So what do you think about that for being an American?